Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issue when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store on Nokia X30. So first let's launch our Google Play Store. Here we can try to find the game. But as you can see, there's no results, and to fix this we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings and family, go for parental controls and either disable it entirely or enter app and games. Increase PG to at least 16 and save the settings. Now if we go back and try to find the game again, it should be on the top right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.